Struggling to organize your YouTube videos into playlists on the go? In 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to do it in the Studio app. We'll start by opening the app, then navigate to your video, edit its details, and add it to existing playlists. Let's dive in. All right, so the first thing you want to do is open the YouTube Studio app on your device. This is the dedicated app for managing your channel, and it's where all the good stuff happens. Go ahead and tap it open. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a few tabs. Go ahead and tap the one that says Content. This is your video library. Every single video you've ever uploaded is right here. Scroll through your list until you find the video you want to add to a playlist. Then tap on it to open that video's details page. This is where you can see its performance, its description, all that important info. In the top right corner of this screen, you'll see a little pencil icon. That's the Edit button. Tap it. This is the main control center for that specific video, so anything you change here gets saved directly to that upload. Now, scroll down a bit. As you move past the description and the tags, you'll eventually see an option labeled Add to Playlist. Tap on that. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of all the playlists you've created on your channel. Simply check the box next to the playlist or playlists you want to include this video in. You can add one video to multiple playlists, which is great for cross-categorizing content. Once you've made your selections, tap Done in the bottom right, and then tap Save in the top right corner to apply all your changes. Your video is now officially part of that playlist. And here's something I love about this process. It's based directly on Google's official support documentation and a verified YouTube help video, so you know these steps are accurate and up to date. You're not just guessing here. You now have a clean, simple way to keep your channel organized. Playlists make it easier for your viewers to find related content, which keeps them watching longer and makes your channel look more professional. That's really all there is to it. If you found this helpful, consider giving the video a like and subscribing for more practical tips like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!